Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by. Monica here. I've got a box opening of Simon Says Stamp Card Kit of the Month for May 2019 and the first card out of 10. So let's get on to opening the box. Like I said, I've already opened it and it's a good one. As a matter of fact, I canceled my subscription. I'm just going to do the boxes if I want them individually, but I am going to keep my eye out for new ones from Simon Says. They do good stuff. Okay, so dun, da, 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 da. You always get an inspiration sheet, and there's quite a few pretty cool looking things. I'm sure these are on their website, and I tend not to want to look at those because I don't want to take anybody else's idea. This is why I bought this set, this card kit, mostly. I love this thing. I can't wait to play with that, do some watercoloring with that. That's why I bought that. I never really use washi tape except for to hold my die cutting things in place. That's going to drive me crazy. I can't find where it starts and where it ends. Let me see how pretty that is. Ooh, that's super pretty. I don't want to use that to hold my dies in place. It's too pretty. This is their Shimmery Envelopes. You get 3 envelopes. Then you get 12 single-sided sheets of this pattern paper. Super pretty. Love those together. I'm sure everything's going to coordinate. Yeah, very delicate. Look how pretty that is. I want to try and learn how to do that in watercolor. And I found a new tutorial lady. She's awesome, and I don't know her name yet, but I will find her link and put it in the description below. Because I'm not good at watercoloring. As a matter of fact, I'm terrible at it, but I want to learn it, and I want to get better, of course. It's so pretty. Look how pretty that stuff is, and it's just a dab of paint, but you got to know where to dab it, right? 1 bottle each of Tim Holtz Ranger alcohol pearls in Sublime, Tranquil, and Intrigue. And then this is a blending solution. 2 pieces of Yupo paper. This is for that alcohol ink. 2 sheets of Tim Holtz alcohol ink cardstock silver sparkle. So these are made to go with alcohol inks. So you get 3 sheets of cardstock. You get green, white, and pink, and it's very thick. There's cardstock is like almost like cover paper.